Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Life Now. Today, I've got a delicious and refreshing recipe for you, a coconut and carrot shake. This shake is packed with nutrients, tastes amazing, and is super easy to make. Perfect for a quick breakfast, post-workout drink, or just to cool off on a warm day. Let's quickly go over the ingredients you'll need for this shake for a single serving. 1 large carrot. 1 cup of coconut milk, fresh or canned. 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut for extra flavor, optional. 1 tablespoon of honey, or any preferred sweetener, optional. A pinch of cinnamon for a little extra flavor, optional. A handful of ice cubes for that cool, frothy texture, optional. First, chop your carrot into smaller pieces. This makes it easier to blend and gives the shake a nice, smooth consistency. Now, toss the chopped carrot into your blender. Add a cup of coconut milk, this adds a creamy base and a tropical flavor. Add a tablespoon of honey or your preferred sweetener. Now, blend everything on high until it's smooth and creamy. You might need to blend for about 1 to 2 minutes, depending on your blender's power. Then, add about a tablespoon of shredded coconut for that extra coconut goodness, and a pinch of cinnamon adds a nice warm flavor that really complements the carrots and coconut. Finally, add a handful of ice cubes. This makes the shake nice and chilled. And there you have it, a delicious, vibrant coconut and carrot shake. You can sprinkle a bit of shredded coconut on top for garnish, and it's ready to enjoy. So refreshing. The coconut milk makes it super creamy, and the carrot adds a natural sweetness with a boost of vitamins. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is fantastic for your skin and eyes, and coconut is full of healthy fats, so this shake is not just tasty, it's nutritious and good for you too. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And let me know in the comments if you try this coconut and carrot shake or have your own unique variations. Until next time, stay healthy and stay refreshed.